In this video, we will be talking about our wide range of flooring products. Flooring products can best be broken into three phases: preparation, adhesives and finishings. This is part 2 of the flooring range, where we're going to talk about choosing the right adhesive. We have two products that you can choose from, two types of ranges. We have the powdered or the pre-mixed. So you have to bear in mind what the substrate is and what you're putting on top of it, whether it's timber or cork or vinyl, whatever. These are the pre-mixed range. Here I'm going to show you a bit more about our pre-mixed adhesives. As you can see, this one here, this is the pre-mixed tile adhesive. You can see that, ready to use straight from the tub. Premium product this, no mixing required. Then we've got a vinyl adhesive, just for using on vinyl. As you can see, it's pre-mixed, ready to use straight from the tub. And then we have here a carpet adhesive, ready to use again straight from the tub, and that's going to be for carpets as well. And as you can see here, this is our timber and cork adhesive, ready to be used straight from the tub again, pre-mixed. Here I'll show you a quick application and show you how easy it is to use. As you can see, really easy to use. With the pre-mixed adhesives, you need to allow 48 hours before you grout them. Let me introduce you to our powdered tile adhesive range. These are the Cemix powdered tile adhesives. This one here is Super Tile Bond, a traditional type adhesive, ideal for application on concrete substrates. This product is floor tile adhesive. It's a polymer modified traditional type adhesive, as you can see, grey in colour. This product here is wall and floor tile adhesive, which is the white one. This is ideal for those applications where you need tiles to stick to the wall. And this one here is fast set tile adhesive for those difficult products like granite and slate, and very fast curing time of 2 hours. So for all the tradespeople, we have some 20 kg bag products as well. So we've got Super Rigid Set. This is a best value cement based adhesive. Flexi Set, it's a high coverage rubber modified adhesive. And we've got Wall Set White, which is a white wall tile adhesive, non-slump. So this is best value, best coverage, non-slump. So I'm going to show you the application of Wall Set White. So you mix the dry powder with water till you get this consistency. And you apply it to the wall. As you can see, it's not falling down, it's non-slump when I touch it to the wall. And it stays on the wall. It doesn't fall off. And in the next part of the video, we're going to talk about the finishing products in the flooring range. See our other videos so you can choose the right product for your tiling project.